जेडी इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ फॅशन टेक्नॉलॉजीन चालीक लायिल्ल्या जेडी स्कूल ऑफ डिझायनान नॉलेज पार्टनर म्हणून सहकार्य केल्ल्या हॉस्पिटॅलिटी इंटिरियर अँड डिझाइन एक्सपो 2023 चे उक्तावण वडात दाबाजन जाले. डिझाइन उद्योगाक व्हड नामना मेळोवपाची इत्सा आशिल्ल्या लोकांक ही एक बरी संद जावन आसा. 3 दिसाची ही कार्यावळ 13 ऑक्टोबर 2023 दिसा सकाळी 11 वरांचेर सुरू जाली. पणजेच्या तालिगांव प्रदर्शन केंद्रात ही कार्यावळ जाली. उद्योग तज्ञ आणि खऱ्या संवसारातल्या परिस्थितीकडेन संपर्क साधप हो तांच्या शिक्षणातलो एक महत्वाचो भाग अशें उपप्राचार्य श्वेतान म्हळे. तरणाट्या डिझायनरांच्या विस्तारा खातीर अशे तरेचे सहकार्य गरजेचे आसात अशेंय तिचे म्हणणे.
To speak about JD, we started in 2019. As of now, 2 batches are passed out. So the third batch is about to pass in by this academic year. And coming back to the placements and our students getting absorbed, I would say that out of 100%, there are 70% of them are absorbed. Some are absorbed under the architects, some are absorbed under the designers, and some of them have gone for masters, like some 10%, and the remaining 20% they have started something of their own. They are planning of going ahead and growing as an entrepreneur. And then coming back to the college part, we have academics as of now happening. One is as an honor, which is affiliated to Goa University. Other one is about NEP, National Education Policy, which we started this academic year. So this academic year, it is a 4-year program, and student can exit after 3 years also. They can go up to 4 year also. We have this for both fashion and interior.
We are here today to participate in the HIDE event, which is for the Hospitality and Interior Designing Expo. JD School of Design, we started in Goa in the year 2018, and we are affiliated with Goa University. We educate or train students in design verticals, and we are part of this event as a knowledge partner. Our students have worked very hard towards this entire journey, and we are putting display. We are educating the visitors on design education, and we are also curating multiple sessions with the experts of this design industry, especially for interior designing and architectural line. We also put up a lot of competitions, and we also have a fashion show which we are organizing tomorrow. We hope the entire community of Goa will participate and visit for such an experience, and we will be able to educate everyone about the design segment.
Basically, Goa has seen an increase of lot of hotel industry and restaurant industry and cafe industry going up in the last 3 years, and also luxury homes. This event caters to all the interior design and furniture solutions required for industry in the hotel industry. It helps people identify the visitors are interior designers, architects, hotel owners who come every year to visit this event, and take a look at the vast amount of furniture which is displayed from all over India as well as all over the world. The furniture and the interior design solutions, the tiles, the veneers, and what is displayed here in terms of interior are never available in Goa. They come all the way from all different parts. So it is a very important thing for hotel owners, restaurant and cafe owners, as well as luxury home owners to come and visit this event and place their orders for their entire projects. Which is because this is a one solution under one roof for all the design solution problems for the hotel industry.
गोवा 365 खातीर मनीषा जाधव आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू.